So the 8th ball we created was a stretch. We went on number 6, we did a stretch, we did a squash on number 7, and a stretch on number 8, which over here says copy number 7 because the original one had no number. And then we have our first copy, 2, 3, 4, etc. We want to return to the original shape. Rather than copying this one and trying to reshape it, it's better just to come to the original ball and copy that. That's the easiest thing to do. However, we need to be very careful when we do this, because if we don't replace if we don't put it in the correct order here, then the ball is going to move to here, and then it's going to bounce back and whatnot. You'll see if you make the mistake, it'll be obvious to you, but just follow along what I'm doing here. You're going to choose this ball right here. What you see here on the right side is copy number 4. Command J that, and you'll see right above copy number 4, we have copy number 8. That's this ball that I'm going to move over there just temporarily. But I want you to focus on the layers panel. This is very important. You need to click and drag on copy 8 and lift it above copy number 7 right here. So I'm going to click and drag right now, and you'll see that each time I move it, you have that blue horizontal line right above the previous layer. That blue horizontal line needs to go to the top above copy number 7. So now we have copy number 8 over copy number 7. That puts everything in the correct order. And we're going to take this ball. It's moving pretty fast, so we're going to give it a little bit of space right here. That's number 8 right there. And it's centered on that path once again. And then we could finalize this by making sure that we click on copy number 8, Command J. We can move it over just a bit. It's going to slow down because it made that arc right there. Physics makes things go faster as they fall, and as they bounce up, it's going to go a little bit slower. In fact, I'm going to take that and move that maybe right there and overlap that just a little bit. And then finally, we're going to do our very last ball right there. We're going to do Command J, and we have copy number 10. And I'm going to put that just kind of like what we did with this first one way over here, just showing a little bit over there. So make sure you have all these balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this last ball right here, number 11, is falling off the edge right there. Once you're done with that, we'll move on to the next video. Actually, let's do this one. We'll bring that right about there. That's a little bit better. Do that. Okay.